Days before the election in southwest St Andrew, the former Member of Parliament for the area is insisting that she does not want to leave the constituency in the hands of someone who will disrespect the people.
Portia Simpson-Miller made that argument as she continued to drum up support for candidate and PNP Vice President Angela Brown Burke. TVJ's Vashon Brown has more.
Portia Simpson-Miller walking through sections of southwest St Andrew with her pick to replace her as Member of Parliament, Angela Brown Burke. Mrs. Brown Burke is running against the councillor for the Painland Division, Audrey Smith-Facey. Mrs. Simpson-Miller recently endorsed Mrs. Brown Burke for the seat, a move which Mrs. Smith-Facey said caused her some hurt. At Thursday's walkthrough, Mrs. Simpson-Miller sought to explain why Mrs. Brown Burke is the right choice.
I want to ensure that you get someone that will behave like a Portia. Yes! And treat you with love. Yes! And I know that you will take care of her the same way.
It's why she told her supporters that she's expecting a Brown Burke victory come Sunday.
You will never let me down yet.
No!
And I do not expect you to let me down.
Never! Always, Mama B.
Treat you with love and respect.
Right one! Right.
And Mrs. Simpson-Miller didn't stop there.
I do not want to leave the constituency into the hands of persons who will disrespect the people and who will not see to their needs. Angela knows that if she break a line, I am going to put her in. And she knows she can't talk back to me. And she knows what I will do.
Almost 2,000 delegates are expected to turn up at Caribbean Palms Community Centre in the constituency to cast their votes on Sunday. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.